Just came back from school to find this on my doorstep. My Quenton Nelson jersey. Looking beautiful. Open this up. Paid $170 for it, so it better be nice. It's the 1953 edition, limited Quenton Nelson jersey. Is the full title of it. Ooh, it looks nice. The NFL logo is shiny. Everything is stitched on. It looks like, yep, it's all stitched. Look at that. Numbers are stitched. Everything is stitched. It's got the nice, that's the difference on the 1953 ones, is the stripes are down on the bottom of the sleeves. That seemed to be the theme back in the 50s, was the sleeve stripes were down like that. I got a large, the alarm clock's being special. I got a large Quenton Nelson jersey. Even though he's not going to be playing on Sunday, I'm still going to wear this because I waited a while to get this. I saved up for a bit, so I'm freaking wearing it. It's nice. I really like this. It's of nice quality. I like it. Quenton Nelson, as everybody knows, 3-time All-Pro, 3-time Pro Bowler, in 3 seasons, the best offensive lineman in the NFL, ranked by the NFL and Pro Football Focus. Basically, everyone agrees that Quenton Nelson is the best offensive lineman in the NFL. People who don't are probably Cowboys fans, because they're autistic. I think everyone can agree that Cowboys fans are autistic. It's just how it is. But this jersey is beautiful. I love it. It is amazing. Look at that. Just look at that. The nice 56, very pristine and nice. I like it. I waited 5 days to get it, so ordered it on Sunday. Came here today on Friday. So, it's nice. I like it. Nice and clean. See you guys next time. As always, I'm not funny. And next jersey up for the Colts is Xavier Rhodes, because I like Xavier Rhodes. He's pretty cool. See you guys next time.